In this video, I'm going to show you how to add some of these icons to your blueprint. So I put this little key over here, and I'm going to keep this as a key by doing exactly what it says here. I said copy and paste symbols into your drawing. So if I wanted to add a bathtub into my drawing, I'm going to click on bathtub. I'm going to copy it, Command C or Control C if you're on a Chromebook, and paste. So now I have a copy of this. Now I can go and I can place it in my bathroom. Now what I want you to do is I want you to look up the sizes of tubs and make sure that you have like a size the size of your tub matches the size tub that you actually really want. I'm just going to click and drag it in like that, and I actually made it this image a little bit transparent so you can still see the lines behind it. And the way that I did that is I went to this image options up here, and then you can change the transparency. If I didn't want it transparent at all, it would just be white. But I did make it a little bit transparent so you can actually see some of the lines behind it. And then I can close this if I don't want it anymore. So I do the same thing. Copy and paste. I'll just paste. Now, I showed you how to rotate things, so if I didn't want my toilet to be facing this direction, I could always rotate it. So remember, I can take this tool and I can just drag it until, let's see, 270 would be a good way. Then you know that you're rotating it in the right direction. So you decide where you want to place your items. Now, here, I'll copy and paste another shower. And don't think that just because something like this shower is a square that you have to keep it a square. If you wanted a shower that was more of a rectangular shape, you just change the size on one side instead of changing the whole thing. So, let me show you the doors. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste these doors. Now, I really want you to think about the doors and where you're placing them. If I were to place a door here and let's say here, let me rotate this 180. See how the doors would be running into each other? So I want you to carefully think about how you're placing them. This door actually I might want a door going into my bedroom, and I might want a door going into, let's see, 270. Going into this bedroom right here. And then I might also, for my bathroom, I'm probably going to want my door to go inside so I can rotate it. And remember the other way to rotate, 2-finger click, go to rotate. And this, I want to rotate it clockwise and not counterclockwise. So there, oops. Let me pick up my door and then I'll stick it in here. Okay. Oh, and right now it's snapping to a grid, and see how if it doesn't line up on the line exactly, what I do is I hold shift and then I use the up and down arrow key, and it moves an item up and down in really small increments. So that's how you're going to place things like doors and anything here into your picture. For some other architecture symbols, if you care to look at them, I put a link to a PDF where you can actually go into here and you can take a look at other architecture symbols. And what I ended up doing was I took screenshots of these and added it to my drawing. Or you can create them yourself in Google Draw. So that's how you're going to add these architecture symbols into your blueprint.